Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to teach you on how to link ChatGPT with Roblox Studio. So first, you need to launch your Roblox Studio and open any game or place, for example, a base plate or an existing project that you have. I'm going to use my recent experience for this video. Now, in the top right corner, you'll get the option of AI Assistant. Hover your mouse and click on it right here. Now in the bottom right corner, the AI Assistant menu will open. Click on the three dots right over here, then select Manage MCP Servers. You have to enable Studio as MCP Server. Ensure that Enable Studio as MCP Server is toggled on and copy the startup command. Expand Setup Instruction. Go ahead and tap on this copy icon right over here beside the startup command for CLI tools. Once it has been copied in your clipboard, you can leave Roblox Studio running. Now open ChatGPT application, or you can also use the web browser in your ChatGPT. From here, you need to download the codecs. In the left-hand side of the screen, select Codecs. Click on Download for Windows. Click on Save. Now launch the installer. And once the exe file downloads, click on the Codecs installer, and Codecs should launch automatically and then it will start downloading. It will start downloading. Tap on Continue with ChatGPT to log in with your ChatGPT account. Once Codecs is open, tap on File in the top left corner of your screen. Now from the menu that appears, select Settings. Go ahead and select MCP Servers. Now create a new server. Click on the plus icon right over here, which is indicating Add Server, and add arguments. Click on the plus argument option. In the first argument box, type / and C. And in the second argument box, paste the startup command that you copied from Roblox Studio. And in the command to launch field, type in cmd.exe. Now scroll down and tap on Save. Then after restart, inside Codecs, click on this box over here and type in, can you connect to Roblox Studio? And then press enter. You should now see a confirmation in ChatGPT that it's connected to Roblox Studio. And in Roblox Studio, you'll see that 2 clients are connected, confirming a successful link. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.